A very warm and pleasant good morning to one and all. I, Jindal from 10th class, directly reporting from RDCF. Today, 19th of September. Ganesh Chaturthi is also known as Ganesh Chaturthi or Ganesh Utsav, is a Hindu festival commemorating the birth of Hindu god Ganesha. The festival is marked with the installation of Ganesha's clay idols in a hostel by respected chairman Mr. Mrityunjay Vishwas and his family and the complete RTCA family, welcoming Ganesha very authentically in our Rishaan family. Then the idol worshipping began as an honorable principal ma'am welcomed Mr. Chairman and Lord Ganesha heartily with a lot of enthusiasm and realistic way. Thus, on decorated stage by our staff members and students, Ganesha Ji's idol is installed and chanting of Hindu prayer and Vedic hymns by teachers, students and all faculty members. It is significant, remarkable and fantastic day to our academy, and now the 7th day ritual will continue. Clay idol on 8th day is carried to public procession with music and group chant and emerging in the near water body called Visarjan. The festival tells us the significance of Lord Ganesha, that is the god of prosperity and wisdom. Thank you.